guys, what's up? Today we are going to make a ghost shooting game in Scratch 2.2 offline editor. So to download Scratch 2.2 offline editor in your PC or in your computer system, you have to enter the URL scratch.mit.edu/download/scratch2 in your Google Chrome. Okay, so let's start. You will also get its URL in the description box. Okay, so first we have to delete this sprite because we want a horror sprite like a ghost. Go to the fantasy and select this goal. Okay, which is horror. Okay, we have selected it. Now shrink it. Okay. And then go to the backdrops and from here select the XY grid. Select the XY grid. Okay, and place this ghost in the center. Now go to the scripts. Now we will start writing its script. When this green flag is clicked, then go to the sounds. Now we have to insert the sounds. Go to the percussions. Here we have to select the WUP beatbox sound. Okay, WUP beatbox sound. We are selecting WUP beatbox sound here because it's like a shooting. And then go to the electronic, select the screech. Okay. And now go to the scripts. When this green flag is clicked, go to the sounds, play sound, screech. Then looks, go to the looks and show. Now go to the data, make a variable named score. Name it score. Okay. Now drag here set score to 0. Go to the controls, forever, go to the look, switch costume to, again switch costume to. Here is the switch costume to goal B, so we will select here goal A. Okay, and then go to the motions, if on edge bounce, so it will not set to the edges, and then turn 180 degree. We will select here 180 degrees. Then move 10 steps and then again turn. Now we will select here 360 degrees. Okay, 360 degrees. Then select this here. We will select here glide 2 seconds. Now go to the operators, pick random and again pick random. Now here is the X minus 240 and here is the X only 240. So we will set here minus 240 and there is only 240. Okay. And then here we will select minus 180 and then only 180. Okay. Now go to the controls, if then. Now go to the sensing, touching, and then go to the sounds, play sound. We have to select here we have to select here verb beatbox sound. Okay, verb beatbox sound we have to select here, and then go to the data, change score by 1. Okay, and then go to the looks, hide, and then show, hide and show. Then go to the motions. Now set here, go to X and Y. Now go to the operators, pick random, and again pick random. We will select here pick random minus 240 and 240, and then minus 180 and 180. Okay, and then go to the events. When this green flag is clicked, go to the controls, drag here forever, wait seconds. We will select here 60 seconds. Okay, and then looks, hide, looks, hide. Now we have to paint a new sprite. We will paint here a scope from which we will shoot these ghosts. Go to the circle, more wider. Okay, now go to the lines, select here red colored lines, less wider. Okay, draw a line from here to here, and draw a line from here to here. Okay, now it's ready. Now shrink it. Shrink it. Okay, now go to its script, go to the events. When this green flag is clicked, go to the controls, forever, then go to the motions, go to mouse pointer. Okay, and now go to the goal and select here touching sprite 1. Okay, touching sprite 1, go to the mouse pointer. Now go to the events. When this green flag is clicked, go to the controls, drag here forever, then drag here wait. We will enter here 60 seconds. Okay, and then hide. Okay, then go to the backdrop. Now we don't need this XY grid, so we will choose a horror background like woods. Okay, now we will delete this XY grid. Now we have to paint this backdrop 1 with game over. Go to the text. Now we will select this Donegal text. Okay, Donegal text. I will write here with black color text. Game over. Okay, done. Now grow it in full screen. Grow it in full screen. Like this. Like this. Okay, done. Now come to the words, this backdrop, and now go to the sounds. We have to select sound Alien Crack 2. Okay. Now go to the scripts, go to the events. When this green flag is clicked, then go to the looks, switch backdrop to woods. Okay? Then go to the controls, select here forever, wait. We will select here wait 60 seconds. Okay, 60 seconds. And then go to the sound, play sound Alien Crack 2. And then go to the looks, switch backdrop to. Now we will select here switch backdrop to backdrop 1. Okay, and then stop all. We will select here stop all. Okay, now our game is ready to play. Now for more entertainment, I will duplicate it. There will be 2 ghosts. I want to tell you main thing of this game. This game was 1 minute. This game is of 1 minute, and this is the thing how many maximum ghosts you can shoot with this scope in 1 minute. And by shooting one ghost, score changes by +1. Okay. Now I will press this green flag. Okay, after playing this game in 1 minute, all the sprites are hidden, and here you can see I have scored 33 ghosts. So okay, I will recommend you that also make this game in your PC or in your computer system and enjoy this. And if you have any query in this coding, you will also get image link in the description box. Okay, thank you. Like, share, comment. Thanks for watching.